Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will tell you how to use music recognition on Android 16. Let's begin. So there are two main ways basically to search a song using your phone. The very first one is by using your Google Assistant. By default it's, I think, Gemini, though it does depend on the type of device you have. And the other is third-party application. If we want to use our Google Assistant, we can simply activate our Google Assistant. We can do that by pressing and holding power button, because it's like by default the shortcut for the Google Assistant. And then we can simply ask for it to recognize a song. And after I will press it, and after I will say it, it will basically say that I can play or even hum or sing a song. So, as you can see, it is pretty advanced. Recognize a song. Thunder, bring her through the ringer, show her on the judgment's call, the one who makes her kingdom fall. I don't remember the rest of the lyrics, but we did find it, and it is named Thunderbringer. It's pretty obvious because the Thunderbringer is... never mind, it's from the Epic Musical. It's pretty cool, you can like listen to it. But as you can see, the feature works. It's working pretty good. And the other way for you to basically search for a song using an application is by using a third-party application. I think that the best application for doing that is called Shazam. So now I will simply install Shazam. As you can see, it is a pretty common and pretty well-known application, judging by the amount of downloads it has. Now we can open it, and now it will automatically set up. So you need to allow it to have access to your notifications, and then you simply tap to Shazam. You also want to give it permission to record audio, and now it will automatically listen for music. I would also recommend you to, like, for example, instead of going to Shazam and clicking here, so it's 2 clicks, instead you can press and hold widgets. Now you want to find your Shazam, so it's right here. And we do have Shazam on the startup, and tap to Shazam. This one is just the shortcut version, and this one will also automatically, I think, show you the name of the song. So you can add the bigger one, and now we just hit once, and now it will automatically listen for music. So it's just one tap away, instead of going to application and tapping it this way, so that's 2, or going through the process of activating your Google Assistant, asking it to listen for music, and then playing the music. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.